Hare Nama Hare Nama eva kevalam Kalo nasteva 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 gatiranyata.
आज पुरुषोत्तम दास ठाकुर का तिरोभाव है, तो मैं 5 मिनट लूंगा और खाली मैं पढ़ता हूँ। पुरुषोत्तम दास ठाकुर की जय। The 23rd and the 24th prominent devotee of Nityanand Prabhu were Sadashiv Kaviraj and his son Purushottam Das, who was born in the 10th Gopala. Since birth, Purushottam Das Thakur was merged in the service of lotus feet of Lord Nityananda Prabhu, and he always engaged in childish play with Lord Krishna. ये कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी लिखते हैं। फिर चैतन्य भागवत में सदाशिव कविराज was greatly fortunate. His son was named as Purushottam Das. Purushottam Das Thakur had no concern for his external body. Shri Nityanand Prabhu always resided within the core of his heart. तो ये हमारे आचार्य जो है ना, एक इतने मतलब हमारा बहुत भाग्य है, परम भाग्य है। सदाशिव कविराज वॉज अ ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी। ये अभी चैतन्य चरितामृत में उसका उल्लेख है। सदाशिव कविराज वॉज अ ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी। पुरुषोत्तम दास वॉज हिज सन। फ्रॉम बर्थ पुरुषोत्तम दास वॉज एब्सॉर्ब्ड इन द सर्विस ऑफ लोटस फीट ऑफ लॉर्ड नित्यानंद प्रभु, and he always engaged in childish play with Lord Krishna. His son was named Shri Kanu Thakur, a very respectable gentleman. His body was saturated with nectar of love for Lord Krishna. Okay, Vrindavan Das Thakur has also named Purushottam Das as one of Nityanand Prabhu's chief associate. Sadashiv Kaviraj was very fortunate to have a son like Purushottam Das. Purushottam Das had no external consciousness of body, for Nityanand Prabhu is constantly acting through him. Lineage: for 4 generations, the family of Purushottam Das consisted of eternally perfect direct associate of Mahaprabhu, Kamasari Sen, Sadashiv Kaviraj, Purushottam Thakur and Kannu Thakur. The Gaur Ganadosh Deepika identifies Kamasari Sen as Ratnavali Sakhi and Sadashiv Kaviraj as Chandravali. Shri Purushottam Das Thakur had 3 principal disciples: Shri Madhvacharya, Shri Yadvacharya and Devaki Nandana Das. They were from Brahman families. Shri Madhvacharya later became the husband of Nityanand Prabhu's daughter Ganga Devi. Shri Devika Nandana Das was the author of the important book glorifying the lives of different Vaishnavas. Purushottam Das Thakur's wife name was Janava. She passed away just after bearing Purushottam Das Thakur's sons Kanu. Kanu. Hearing the news, Nityanand Prabhu went to the house of Purushottam Das Thakur and took his son Kanu with him to his own village of Khadadaha. Srila Prabhupada says Sadashiv Kaviraj and Nagar Purushottam, who were father and son, are described in Chaitanya Bhagavat as Mahabhagyavan, greatly fortunate. They belong to the Vaidya caste of physicians. The Gaur Ganadesha Deepika, verse 156, says that Chandravali, the most beloved gopi of Sri Krishna, later took birth as Sadashiv Kaviraj, who was a great devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Purushottam Das Thakur sometimes lived at Sukhasagar near Chakadaha and Simurali railway stations. All the deities installed by Purushottam Thakur were formerly situated in Beladana Grama. But when the temple was destroyed, the deities were brought to Sukhasagar. When the temple merged in the bed of the Ganges, the deities were brought with Janma Mata's deity to Saheb Sangha Vedigram. Since that place also has been destroyed, all the deities are now situated in village named Chandu Grama, Chandude Grama, which is situated 1 mile from Palapada, as report above. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur says Purushottam Das Thakur lived at Sukhasagar, midway between Chakadaha and Simurali railway station. The deities he installed were formerly served in Beladanga village, but when the temple fell into the river. The deities were taken to Sukasagar. That temple was also swallowed by the Ganges, and so the deities were brought with Janma Mata deity to Sahib Danga Berigram. Since that place was also destroyed, all the deities were again moved about 3 or 4 miles to the village named Chandurgram on the banks of Ganges, about 1 mile up from Palapara. तो हरे कृष्णा, मैं यहाँ पे रुकता हूँ। श्रीला पुरुषोत्तम दास ठाकुर आविर्भाव महामहोत्सव की, वैष्णव ठाकुर की जय। श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे। हरि हरि बोल।